Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook could not come. To know how to fix Facebook could not come in, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here and you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to click here in down for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage and you will click here. After that, in this page you will go to click clear cache in down as you see, and then in the here you will go to click clear cache, clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.